Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today I will show you how to install and configure Joomla CMS on CentOS 8.1. Joomla is a free and open source content management system for publishing web content. It is built on a model view controller web application framework that can be used independently of the CMS that allows you to build powerful online applications. So now let's proceed with the installation process of Joomla CMS. First, we will check install version of OS on my system. It's 8.1 version. So before installation, we need to download Joomla CMS application package from its official website. Now it's downloading. Now download is completed. Now we will make unzip of the Joomla install package to a folder Joomla. Once it is completed, we will move this Joomla folder to Apache root directory. Now we change ownership and permissions for that directory using chown command. Now change permissions 755 /var /www/joomla. Now we configure virtual host to access Joomla CMS, joomla.conf, and we create here virtual host. help1.com, document root, provide the path for the documents. Allow override all. Now write and quit. Now we will create a database for Joomla CMS. First of all, we log in as a root in MySQL. Provide password. Now create database. Joomla DB. Create a user. Localhost identified by the password here. Now grant all privileges to this database for that user. Now flash privileges. Now make exit. Now restart the Apache service using systemctl command. After that, open your browser and enter your domain name there. Type your domain name here. This is the Joomla web installer page. Mention your site name here. Linux help 1. Provide description. Provide your email ID. Give username. Give password. Now click next. Here you have to give some database configuration like username, password, database name JoomlaDB. Now click next. This is the main configuration and here is the database configuration. This is all the requirement setting for the Joomla CMS. Now click install. Joomla is now installed. Now from here we will go to administration panel. We have to provide username and password. Hence this is the dashboard for the Joomla CMS. Here are all the modules so that you can create a website from these modules using. Hence this is the method to install Joomla CMS on CentOS 8.1. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorial, please visit our website www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.